I got a microwave here. It's the overhead range type. Let's see what's in it. It's got a mortar, fairly big mortar. That's for the exhaust venting. So looks like a copper mortar, I would think. I don't think it's copper. Okay, so see the transformers should be on the side here. I took the screws out there. Nope. Make them cheaper and cheaper every day, I'll tell you. No copper on that side. See, no copper on that side. See? Both sides have no copper. Which is kind of a joke. But anyways, this is the way it is. Let's just back off. One more couple screws here to get to the side. This is full of this infested. It's infested. Some kind of bugs. Pretty gross. Okay, well, I'll just pull the transformer out. That's it. I'm gonna launch it. Pull this motor out. Yeah, I wouldn't buy nothing used. No way. Never buy anything used. This actually came from that park building, I think. That's where I got it from. Everything's dead because they fumigated the whole place really good. But the thing is, if I wouldn't buy nothing used. Looking for trouble, so. Okay, I'm going to cut that transformer out. A container for my wire. Throw it in here. Okay, but anyways, a little bit more wire here, and then there's a fan here, and let's pull it. It's done. Okay. We got a Sony disc player. Looks like a multi-carousel disc player. Found on the side of the road. It got run over by a car or something, but let's just take a quick look and see what's in it. It should be a DVD board and a few things, I guess. We'll see. Screws here, one here. few more. I'll just take them all off while I'm here. A lot of plastic. See if I can knock the bottom off. The arrow showing which screws to come out. One more screw here. Even though it's a lot of plastic involved, there's still a little bit of metal, right? Let's get a circuit board. A couple screws. Okay, let me see if I can get the board out. The clips holding it here and there. Clip here. One more screw here. Just cut some wires off. So basically you have a very low grade board, a transformer on it, which I'll pop that off. So one looks like a screw almost. Here's the digital board right here. It's very small, very small. Okay, let me just get a screwdriver here. Need something small. Maybe get something here. Okay, I found one. It's actually got the mortar. It's a mortar drive. It's a dry board. Looks like a couple IC chips. So there's not a lot in here. Very little actually. Usually they're a lot better than this. So I'm not even going to strip this anymore. So kind of whatever wire I can get. That's easy. We'll throw the rest of this in the shreds. It all adds up, this wire at the end. So okay, not a lot in this here really. Even that digital board, I don't understand why it's very small. So anyways, I would just knock off the transformer. It's the only value here. The transformer. Even for gold value, very little. That transformer bucket. Okay, you've seen it. Not very much. Okay, there's a few flat packs and different ICs in the back, so I'm just gonna basically grab the chips off it. Pop the chips off right now. You just get yourself a screwdriver, and you just work along the feet. It just comes right off. There it is. These ones are a lot tougher, these IC ones, to come off. The multi-leg flap, see, it just breaks off. But anyways, throw that aside for now, but I got four flat pack type chips. I'll throw that into my IC chip bucket. Got a bucket going here. Well, I haven't took anything off yet, so I'll be starting. But there it is, you know, and I have some at home already. Your IC chips. But some of the boards have just no value, so I have no buyers here for low grade. Or actually no buyers for boards really at all, so any event is take whatever I can off it, and then the rest will go scrap. Okay, let's see what else I can take apart. There's a garage door opener, the motor itself. The track is taken off, I guess, but that's the motor by itself. Okay, we'll pull the cover off. Let's get the electronics in the motor. Light cover here is plastic. Put that off there. Electronics is here. Change the bit. More. Here's your wireless system. Here is right here. It's wireless. Transformer off. Transformer. Copper. Okay, so basically, this is your motor area. Set screws and so on for the gears. Okay, its wire is off. Just gonna pull this off here. Okay, now I gotta take these screws off here. They're nut screws. Just gonna find the right size. That one. Nope. Okay. This one I'm going to pull the back motor off. Yeah, I need that for a second. Come off. There's a couple of nuts on there actually. Figure how I can get this gear off here. Got a pin here. Okay, let me just figure how this gear comes off here. There's an Allen key here. I just gotta find it here. So stand by. I can't find the tool here, but anyways, I was able to reverse the motor, so I can hold one side. They use two nuts, one in between the bracket and one on the outer brackets. Figure how to tap it out. It is, see? Simple. So you don't have to go into too much detail. Here you got your copper mortar. Here you got scrap. Without even taking the shaft off. See that? You just got to make sure that you get the screws off the mortar. There's 3 on the mortar. Another copper mortar in the graveyard. Okay, let's see what else I can show you. Power supply. It's a pretty good one, but it's been in the rain and it's rusty. So let's start taking it apart. It's gonna have big transformers for sure. Capacitors, wire. Two on the top. It's like rotted inside, basically. Unbelievable. Well, it's sitting in the dirt or something, in the mud. Driver. Okay. I have to take this lip off. Right here's a lip on the transformer. Doesn't really come off, it's just more of an insulator. Okay, see if I can get that out. Okay, just stand by until I figure this out here. It's just everything's so dirty and I need to hold one side here. Stand by. A huge transformer. Probably weighs about 20 pounds. crack it off. So it's definitely worth this one off yet. Why didn't come out? So a huge transformer, definitely worth saving. I checked it as copper. So just definitely, you see them, take them apart. But remember, to take them apart, you're losing lots of value, because this being a regulated power supply for 12 volts is good for communication receivers, any 12 volt application. Very thick windings, you can't even cut it. So it's going to be good thick copper in there. There. I'll say at least 15 pounds, 20 pounds probably. Okay. And then you have heat sinks on both sides. Those are worth taking too. Just get your cordless drill. Drill them all out. Transistors. Some transistors could have gold, so I'm not really sure if these are gold bearing, but just hold on to them until you really know. So anyways, you just have to pop them off. There's nuts on each side, right? So some are turning. A little bit hard to get to. But anyways, you know what to do here. Just pop these off, take transistors off. You have maybe a pound of aluminum. Okay. Okay. Cushion Craft blender. Fairly heavy. See what's in it. Cut some wire loose. Plastic base. Yeah, it's a cast aluminum again. Yeah, it looks like it's a cast aluminum base. It's like the oisterizer type. Okay, so the copper mortar. Before I continue further, well, since you're here anyways, either copper, aluminum, doesn't matter. Okay, let me pop the mortar off. Probably in a gear or something. Plastic. Okay. Okay, let's unscrew the screwdriver. Okay. It's got a flat one on the back. You got the big screwdriver? Okay. The actual shaft is turning, so I have to tighten one side. If I could take this off the end here. Might be turning. Okay, well, there's a cotter pin here, I see. Okay, I need a pair of tools to get this one off here, but anyways, it's copper mortar. I'll deal with it later. Use the angle grinder, just cut a couple parts off of it, and it should fall apart really easy. So it's actually not bad. It has some good stuff to it. Nice cast frame. If you see them, they're worth. It's definitely worth stripping because it's a cast aluminum frame, and it's got a good mortar in it, and they're very heavy. So if you see them, it's worth taking apart. It's like the one I did yesterday. Same kind of thing, design. Probably about at least 3 pounds. Heavy cast. Oops. Okay, it's definitely worth saving. You have a little bit of wire, some switches. Okay, you got an 8-track player. Looks like it's a stereo. It's been waterlogged, probably broken, so just scrap it. Get the legs off. They might go into the chassis. Okay. Take the wood back off. It's got a wood top. Need to get a better bit. That one's too fine. Okay, put the red one on. Garbage. Here it is. It's got a cast outer frame. It's cast here. Transformer. Full of these like sandbugs. Okay, transformer. Aluminum heatsink here. Doesn't make much noise. So we got aluminum heatsink. Not really much on here that I want to take off. A little bit of wire, a couple of mortars. Okay.
You want to save this one?
Okay, let me. Why would this is metal?
No, it's plastic.
Well, I'm not saving it if it's not metal. Okay, I'm going to cut this wire off here. I'm going to try to get this. I think it's aluminum. It may even be plastic.
Metal.
Plastic.
Metal, take it off.
Leave it. Okay, DVD player, Electro Home. It's mostly metal. Pop open. So the pull screws, every screw I see, I'll pull out. The wires by the DVD outputs. Okay. So basically, it's got the board's not even held in there. Well, I guess maybe the screws in the bottom when I took it out, it might have popped something out. I was gonna say something looks weird. Right? Okay, cut that off. So we have a power board here. When I took the things out, I took all the majority of the screws on the electronics out. Pretty straightforward. Aluminum. Some stuff here. Okay, one more screw, two screws actually. Power board. This has got one removable chip. I'll take it off now. So, rest is pretty straightforward. It's actually a flat pack here. I'll pop that off. There's the display there, popped off. So the rest will go in the garbage. I'll take this DVD drive apart a little bit. Take a quick look and see what's in it. Don't have a proper screwdriver handy right now. Probably lost. That's your DVD board. You'll see the DVD drives. I'm just going to pry it off. Okay, let's see if I can find this. Mortar here. Mortar bucket. Gonna see if I can find a screwdriver. I basically found a screwdriver. It's like a standard DVD board, anyways. It's just so it's a real DVD drive, not a Mickey Mouse one. Some are really cheap. This one's a little bit better quality. So I'll have a board. Good board here. And there'll be a mortar here that I'll take out. Okay. Lots of screws in this thing. Probably go. Here's the mortar right there. So that's it, rest goes in shred. That's it. Okay, so not much in there, but a little bit of material. Yeah, these are projection TV picture tubes. So there's going to be oil liquid in there and so on. So I got a reservoir to hold it. I don't have the right tools. Can't find my lost one drive. So anyways, have to bear with me. That's why I unscrewed everything by hand first, as much as I could. Okay, there's a frame here. Figure what's holding this thing now. There's your liquid right there. Picture tube. So the reservoir will collect all the liquid versus getting it, you know, all over the place. This one's got a side reservoir, which I'm going to drain. Okay. Screws out. Let's open this thing here. Okay. I'll dump it into this thing here now. You should contain it. Take the lens off. The middle there. So the lens cover here. Plastic. So here's all your cast aluminum, basically here. Must be another screw here that I don't see. Anyways, I think it would just open, but there's probably a screw that's hidden. So there it is. So you get cast aluminum right there. We'll throw it in the cast aluminum pile here. So if you have a reservoir, like I say, you're going to contain the material. I'll have a nut driver here, so I can do it all by hand. It's taking a long time. Okay, just wanted to share that with you. Oil will be contained, and then dump it into another reservoir. Okay, show you. Look at the technology here. There's a million things in here, and look at this thing. It's only one board here. It's basically the same kind of TV. Crazy. Couple little power board, audio board. Look at this. Look at the difference. Unbelievable. How much stuff's in this thing. Each box has its own. Well, this could be like a smart TV, probably like a computer. That's probably why it has the additional on there, but that's a basic TV, that's a smart TV, I would think. That's why you're seeing a big difference. It's amazing how much there is difference. And this one is heavy. This is at least 40 pounds right now. We took the back off it. And these things are heavy, really heavy. Heavy metal. Okay, so I'm going to start stripping these a bit, but I did a lot of these videos before, so just want to show you the difference between, I would say, a smart TV versus just a standard junk, cheap quality TV, that one. Okay, just got a tire machine here. Guy chucked it out, he gave us a hand to put it in my van. Looks like it's too far gone. The valves are all shot, it's garbage. It's definitely a tire machine. I'd say 300 pounds at least. Got 3 guys to put in the van. Freebie, just picked up now. Streets seized. Well, this is gonna be all seized. I don't think it's gonna be any good. Look, it's all rusted to crap. It's too far gone. Hydraulics will seize up and it's useless. He said it works, but they all say that. They all say that. It's too, no, it's just all too rusted. It's a relic, man. It's a car relic.
We can sell this car relic. Yard.
Coates 1010 Super Power Man. Okay, it's in. Wow, that was tough. That was our good deed of the day. He's happy, and we're definitely happy. Okay, put it on the side of the road. Might be aluminum. I'm thinking. Nope, steel. Take that. So I lost her hood, I guess. I think it was painted or something. Yeah, that tire lifter, if the guy didn't help us, that's why I never filmed it, because he was helping us, but I'll tell you, that was so heavy there. You would never believe how heavy that was. It could even be 400 pounds, that thing. It's a solid weight. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of street scrapping, I think, and then hopefully find something. There's already 2 items I found, so that's not too bad. The hood my brother spotted earlier, he called me. Okay, side road. Found a microwave. Okay, got a hot water tank here. Pretty big one. Okay, it's in. Not much out there, but getting the odd thing. Okay, and then I'll share. It's like a stroller. It's the road. Bit of a beater one, but some are aluminum, so we'll see. I got another hot water tank here, so I have to do a big shuffle. So I gotta figure what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do it. Pull this stuff out. Realign this over. Like that. Another big tank. Well, it's a big one. Hey, every time you find one thing, you find 2 or 3 of the same item. Okay, speaker, chair. This thing should actually fold somehow. Oh, look at that, just so simple. Okay, there it is. 2 hot water tanks. Just found the side of the road. Looks like someone had a bad day, hit a curb pretty hard. As you can see, it's been smashed big time. I don't think it's even flat. It's got pressure there, so it's funny it didn't knock the bead off or get a flat tire. But anyways, that's worth $5 the way it is, so that's why I picked it up. If I cut it off, it's worth more, but then you're dealing with the tire. It's probably worth about $15, so you get 1/3 of the cost. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.